Hello, guys, welcome back to Foodholic Girls. And today we are exploring not one but two viral food spots in Kandivali that have been all over social media. So, the first stop is this cozy cafe in Kandivali East, which is beautiful, aesthetic, and very relaxing vibe. It's small but very cozy. It's warm interiors and comfortable setting and perfect cafe atmosphere. You can spend hours catching up with friends and working here. We tried their hazelnut cold coffee, which was for rupees 325, and berry bloom americano, which was for rupees 225. They had a lot of options like smoothies and matchas and much more flavors and different type of coffees. You can definitely try here. I loved the place as it was so calm and so peaceful. You could have just grab a book, a coffee, and you can just spend hours here. So this is something where you definitely can visit. So from here we headed to a second
रामेन
place
खाने
I was most excited about, and it is in Kandivali West. Its name was Kision, but before we could reach there, we were in the auto, and it started raining like heavily. So before we visit there, I want to give you a quick glimpse of what exactly that place would be. So it is kind of a make your own ramen experience, and where you can choose your favorite instant ramen. You can pick your add-on vegetables, whatever toppings you want, and you have to cook it yourself at your table. It was like if you have ever watched Korean dramas or Korean food videos and wondered what ramen tastes like, this place is a must visit. Like everything you see in that K dramas, the food, the drinks, everything was available here. So this is how it's made. You have to choose a packet of your ramen. You have to put the ramen in the bowl. You don't have to add the seasoning first. You have to boil the ramen there, and then after the time is done, you have to add your toppings. If you are new and first time, the owner helps you, like they guide you, like how do we make it. So this was the first time I watched the noodles cook in that paper bowl. It was really amazing. So once the timer stops and the noodles are cooked, you have to add the seasoning packet. And from the extra toppings, we added the chili oil in it, and it was amazing. It looked good. This honestly feels like you are in a Korean convenience store. They also had the glasses with ice where you can pour your choice of drink,
तेरा ऐसा खाते हो
just
यार
exactly how I have seen in the Korean food videos.
एक्चुअली इतना बड़ा बाइट खा के
The ramen was really good. It was hot, flavorful broth, and perfectly cooked noodles and customized toppings is a unique thing you can try. Overall, this was such a fun food outing with great cafe vibes and amazing Korean ramen experience without leaving Kandivali. I'll post all the details and address in description for both the outlets. If you are in Mahavinagar, you also know this famous cake bowl place. So on the way, we also took parcel from here and we headed back to home. If you enjoy this vlog, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Foodaholic Girls because there's a lot more food adventure coming your way.
So that's it for today, guys. See you in the next vlog. Bye.